Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
Hi, I'm Sunil with DataLocker, and our mission is to provide superior convenience with state-of-the-art security. Everything from our secure portable storage devices all the way to our remote management system, our lightning-fast military-grade encryption is trusted worldwide by companies that need security the most. In the coming months, I'm going to show you why DataLocker's technology is faster, safer, and more secure. You'll see how easy it is to use our technology to make sure that your company's data is protected across all platforms. You'll also see product demonstrations, workflow options, new product announcements, and more. And I'll even take some of your security questions. I'm excited to show you how easy and affordable securing your data can be, so stay tuned.